Ducks fly high, then dip down low, circle round, and off they go. Crack the song and feel the breeze, dance in sky with graceful ease. They glide above the sparkling tide, then fold their wings and skim the glide. Feathers shining, daylight glow, heading where the warm winds blow. Ducks fly high, then dip down low, circle round, and off they go. Quack the song and feel the breeze, dance in sky with graceful ease. Watch them trace a silver line, V-shaped friends in perfect time. Sunset paints them gold and slow, a glowing trail, a gentle show. Ducks fly home as daylight slows, softly land where water flows. Quite good night beneath the glow. Ducks fly high, ducks fly low. Sing along with kids. 10 little kittens chasing butterflies, one leapt high, reaching for the skies. 9 little kittens darting left and right, one got distracted by a bird in flight. 8 little kittens bouncing through the air, one stopped to sniff some daisies fair. 7 little kittens with their paws so quick, one got tangled in a leafy stick. 6 little kittens playing on the run, one rolled over, done with fun. 5 little kittens mewing with delight, one wandered off out of sight. 4 little kittens scampering free, one climbed up a shady tree. 3 little kittens chasing just for fun, one laid down sleepy from the sun. 2 little kittens still giving it a try, one sat down to watch the sky. 1 little kitten chasing one last swing, then curled up gently in a butterfly ring. Sing along with kids. Sun shines so bright, wake us up with golden light. Peek through windows stretched so wide, chase the stars and clouds that hide. Warm the flowers, dry the dew, paint the sky a glowing blue. Giggles bloom in morning air, sunshine sprinkles everywhere. Sun up so high, smiling in the cotton sky. Birds all sing and children play. Thank you, sun, for a brand new day. Sing along with kids. Sleepy little panda, snuggled in your bed. Moonlight shining softly on your furry head. Tucked beneath the bamboo leaves, cozy as can be. Dreaming of the forest and climbing up the tree. The stars are twinkling gently, the night is calm and deep. The owls are softly hooting, close your eyes and sleep. Your day was full of giggles, of cuddles, and of play. Now it's time for lullabies to carry you away. Sing along with kids. 6 little pandas jumping in the pool, splashing and giggling, keeping cool. 1 did a flip and and made a big spray. Too much fun, the others say. Jump, splash, wriggle and play. Pandas swimming all the day in the pool so bright and blue. Pandas laugh and so will you. Five little pandas floating on a ring. One tried to paddle, what a silly thing. He spun around and gave a cheer. This is the best time of the year. They made a wave and rode it fast. Their panda giggles sure did last. With floaties, noodles, and water games, they splashed around and called their names. Six little pandas, what a crew, soaked and smiling through and through. When the sun begins to cool, they'll be back to jump in the pool. Hiding in a shoe, one popped out and said peek-a-boo. Six little kittens, snug as they could be, one climbed out to climb a tree. Five little kittens cuddled near the toe, one tiptoed off, where did he go? Four little kittens whispered with glee, one ran off to chase a bumblebee. Three little kittens playing hide and seek, one leapt out with a playful squeak. Two little kittens snug in their bed, one jumped out and turned her head. One little kitten, not sure what to do, he yawned and curled up inside the shoe. Sing along with kids. Row, row your dinosaur gently down the stream in a boat with dino oars, gliding through a dream. Stomp, stomp, splashy feet, tails go swish and spin. Through the jungle down they go with giant toothy grins. Roar, roar, sing a tune underneath the moon, riding waves and catching stars. They'll be home real soon. Row, row your dinosaur, laughing all the way. Adventure ends at dino bed. Good night to dino play. Sing along with kids. Drip, drop, fit and tap, rain falls down. Panda looks out at the sleepy playtown. He grabs his boots all shiny and red and pops a hat on his fuzzy head. A splash in a puddle, a twirl in the rain, dancing and skipping down the bamboo lane. Raindrops sparkle like jewels in the sky. Panda giggles as the ducks waddle by. He finds a dry spot under a tree and sips warm tea with honey and glee. The clouds drift off and the sun peeks through. A rainbow shines in every hue. Back home he goes, warm and dry. A panda's rainy day, oh me, oh my.